So now I'm going to show you there is another option replacing value. So let's say the business scenario will be like if there are some countries showing and I want to replace this city, this country, India with some other countries. And let's say if the India is appearing multiple times now, 1,000 times or 5,000 times. So how you can replace the value? You just need to select the column and you just need to navigate towards the replace value, and in the replace value make sure that the value when you are trying to find that should be written in the same way as presented currently in the data set now. So if you just write I in the small letter, that will not replace the value. So this is the case sensitive feature, so you must make sure that the data you are inserting that should be the same case sensitive as currently showing in this data set now. So I just click here and I am just clicking and specifying another value, and once you will click on the OK, so that will be replacing my value. So this is the very powerful feature. You can replace the value, and if you want to see the original data, so the question is how you can again navigate towards your original data. So once you can see that these are the steps, whatever the steps I am performing, those actions are showing here now. And if I just click and mark this one as a delete, so now you can see my original data is coming on. And if I again want to apply the same step, I just need to select the value. And again, I need to specify. And once I did this thing, and you will be able to see my data is already replacing. And let's say you want to load the data. So again, I just want to show you that this is the option. Once you will close and load, so that will be loading your data in the new Excel sheet, in the existing Excel sheet now. So you can see now that it's loading, and another sheet that will be loading and presenting in front of me. This is currently in loading stage, and there are the multiple sheets I have created, and you can see that this is the new sheet which I just loading my expected data in the new sheet now. So you can apply some of the changes here. You can again apply some of the design if you want. So this is the area you can apply the changes as per the expected results you are looking forward. So let me navigate again towards my data, and if I just move towards my original sheet, let me show you here. So again, let me delete some of the sheets here. I'm just hiding now. I'm not interested for this one. And let me navigate towards the data, and from the show queries. And once you already have the queries, so you can also get your existing queries which you have developed when you will click on the show queries now. So you can see once I click here on the show queries, this will be showing me all my recently activities which I just manipulate the data now. So if I just navigate towards any one of my query, and if I double click here, again I can easily navigate towards my Power Query interface now. So I was just sharing some thoughts regarding the interface. You can replace the value, and also you can merge the values, merge queries when we are using this interface, when we have a plan for concatenating the multiple sheets, associations like one to many to many, and we can use this merge queries, which I will be explaining in upcoming session. And then you can append the queries. Append the query means like if you have a multiple tables or the multiple sheets and you want to make a master sheet now, so with the help of append queries, you can compile one master sheet and present in front of your management. We will see these options in our upcoming sessions. Also, there are some more options, let's say in the transform. So the transform tab ribbon will be also explaining some interesting fields, like you can replace the value, you can fill up the series down and up, and then you can transpose the data, you can reverse the order, and if you just click here, you can use first row as a header. Let's say if I want this row as a header, you can use this option now. And then we also have some interesting options like pivoting the column. We can pivot the column now for summarizing the data, and also we can split the column, which I was just showing you, and we can further see that group the data now. And also if we have some custom requirement, and if I navigate towards the add column, so this ribbon will be helping you to understand, like if you want to apply some of the custom columns and want to apply some of the if conditions, or if you are having a plan for making some manipulation with respect to meeting your business requirements or client requirements. So we have the different options are available. The custom column creation, if I just click here, the custom column creation, so you can apply some of the manipulations while writing the if condition. So in the upcoming sessions you will see all these things in detail. Then you can also apply some of the column by example, and this is another powerful feature. And if I just click here, and you can see the column is adding now, and whatever the character, if I just write down the pk, and you can see that automatically this will be populating the pattern, and the rest of the columns also showing the first the characters before the space. So you can see that pk is showing the USA and Canada, and when it's automatically showing the rest of the names now, the New Zealand and the UK now. So this is the way you can use the column by example. And there are some more conditional columns, like you can also create the duplicate column. So everything you will be able to see the real-time transformation in our upcoming session. Thank you very much for watching this session now.